So Kilazivo claims that key ZANU PF people or big wigs, they are flocking to Savior Kasukuwere's faction. He says party yedu yakazara vatengesi chokwadi pandakadzingwa a big number of MPs blogged me vaitaura neni vaishandisa WhatsApp call, but now vakawanda vakazodzingwa nepovo vava kuda kutaura neni. Takakuona naKasukuwere zvakamira sei, we are available pakudini naimi vatengesi. This is what Kilazivo is saying, and this is a true reflection of ZANU PF people. Vanhu vaive vajaira kusecure mapositions, vanhu vaive vajaira kuchengetedza zvese zvavagara vainazvo, and to what end? To the detriment of a general voter, to the detriment of a general citizen. And this is the reason why we are saying these people, they are just the same. They are there to protect their own interests, not the interest of the people of Zimbabwe. This is the reason why we are saying we have to rise as Zimbabweans. This election, 23 August, we have to rise. Vote Advocate Nelson Chamisa, vote his MPs and vote his councillors, because these are people taking advantage of the ignorance of the majority of Zimbabweans who continue to vote for a party, not for competency. So I believe in competency, I believe in individuals who can deliver. That is my belief. I believe that we have to portray what you want to do for a certain constituency or ward, or then after that we agree to say this is what is good for this particular area, this is what is good for that particular area. And if we manage to do that, it will be a plus, it will be an advantage in terms of real development. It will be an advantage because you see that real ideas will come on board. But if we continue this system of patronage, a system yekuti ndiani anozikanwa, ndiani akangwara kudarika vamwe vese, you see that we will not go anywhere. So it is what it is, but I give you a task 23 August to make sure that you do what you are supposed to be doing. So anzi vanamba koyo hausimutengesi here zvikanzi ndakatengesei zvangu, taurirana natsvangirai naMugabe kutengesa here na 100 USD yava 1.8 million RTGs from 8,000 that time. Zvikanzi tambai mese, you are one family. Okay, so this is what is happening in Team Zimbabwe. Ngativhote, tinovhotera Chamisa.